Quick acknowledgement to the number 13. So that's how my year started. 1st of January, which is in a 9 year. So I decided to go to Brazil. So I booked my flight. At the beginning, transaction was denied. So it took a little bit more time, right? But it was perfect timing. Exactly, yeah. So I look at the digital clock when the transaction go through, and it's 13:13, and that's already 2 times that you see 13, right? So then in the afternoon, I watched this movie, Godzilla versus Kong: New Empire, which says all. So we're talking about New Empire, and we know we're shifting to a matriarchal order. We're shifting towards matriarchy, right? And there's this little girl that she draws stuff on a paper, and if I'm not mistaken, you see the number 13 as well there in the wall, on the wall. But anyway, she's drawing pyramids. She's psychically connected to her ancestors, telepathic connections, things of that nature, and then they go into the portal, right? Which we always go through, right? When we close our eyes, we go to the portal. At least I go to the portal, I'm sure. In the Stargate, I go through the Stargate, literally, like the movie Stargate, when you just go, yeah, literally go there. So yeah, where do I go? I'm not sure. So yeah, again, number 13, interesting. And remember, this was a girl, so she represent, you know, let's say priestess, high priestess, the matriarchal order, whatever you want to call it. So that's the number 13. But when I booked my flight again, so it was AF 1313, my first flight to where I was going, then to go to Brazil. AF 1313. AF, it's Air France. Again, 2 times in a row, 1313. The following flight was also AF 454. 454, which equals 13. If you sum the ciphers, 4 plus 5 plus 4, 13. I cannot make this up. I go there, I reach Brazil. Apartment number 1309. 13 is already 13, right? Then you got 09. You sum the ciphers. 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 9 equals 13. You cannot make this up. Not only that, but you got the 09, which also represents, the year we're in, the number 9. This is number 9 year. And in the first day of this year, I booked the flight. Not only that, 09 represents also me. If you saw my introduction, allow me to reintroduce myself or something like that, right? You can see that the word ma, right, in Tigrinya language, you write it as 0 and 9. 09 in my language, if you saw my video, let me reintroduce myself. 09, it's ma. And what is ma? Ma is ma, mother, right? Interesting, because in Portuguese, they called mother mai. Mai. Mai in my language, in Tigrinya language, guess what it is? Cannot make this up. It's water. If you say mai, you're saying water in my language. And the Portuguese call it